Question number 341. Welcome to part 3. Father of psychoanalysis is Sigmund Freud. Quality of research depends on proper guidance. Two main sources of statistics are governmental records, mathematics. Statistics is the science of estimates and probabilities said by Boddington. Spare of a class is called as class interval. Teacher is successful only if he knows the subject thoroughly well. The competency of a teacher can be judged on the basis of meeting needs of students. Which of the following statement is not correct? Teachers are born. Which type of test is not suitable for the evaluation and of understanding level of a teaching? Is objective type. National Institute of Basic Education in our country was established in 1972. Kindergarten, KG system of education means garden of small kids, which is indebted to Froebel. If students are not able to follow, you should illustrate with examples. Uses of telecast materials enhances concentration and learning. Micro teaching is useful to students of higher classes and primary class. National Science Policy Resolution was adopted in the year 1957. A teacher in the class should keep the pitch of his voice high enough. A teacher, all of the above. Formula for the calculation of the mode is mode equal to 3, median equal to 2, mean. Test of shiftability is base of the base is called circular test. The word education is derived from its root terms means develop children. Eclectic is one who take beliefs from several philosophies. Name the commission of 1994 which permits to open nursery school for children in India is Sir John Sargent's commission. Moral teachings of teacher would give moral values to the students. What is the children's slab age limit for the Chief Minister Nutrition's meal program? 2 to 14 years. Initially, how many pre-primary schools were started all over India by the central government in 1951? 20,000 pre-primary school. 2,000 pre-primary school. Name the profounded school by Sir John Sargent Commission report in 1944. Pre-primary school. Moral teaching of teacher would give moral value to the student. Name the scheme started for whom the education dropouts between the age group 6 to 14 was non-formal education. Tamil Nadu Integrated Nutrition Plan TINP was started in which year? 1980 at Madurai. Article 48 of Indian Constitution describes about education to all. Which type of school opened for the brilliant children in the village? Navodaya school. On which curriculum the educational books are written under the new education policy? Core curriculum. Non-formal education is useful for the dropouts from school. Name the entry which are useful for them to continue their formal education. Multiple point entry. Under which act the penalty was imposed on the parents for not sending their children to school? It is 1960 Punjab Educational Act. Education which acts as a bridge between society and their practical life is secondary education. What is the name of the education that provides in the high school and higher secondary school? Secondary education. Which education is common to all? Secondary education. Education required to advance in the field of economy, industries, etc. is also secondary education. The basic instrument in which useful for the socio-economic growth in nation is education. The education in which the important glimpses are taught in a short and simple way is a part-time education. In non-formal education centers, the 5-year curriculum of primary education taught in how many years concisely? 2 years. The scheme of primary education to all is CAPE. Education planned as per the experience and to satisfy the needs of a aged pupil is adult education. Education implemented by the Indian government in 1949 to eradicate the illiteracy among the people was social education. Libraries are opened in order to protect the literacy beginners from forgetting and to improve their knowledge, are the objectives of rural literacy campaign. What was the age group for providing education in Nehru Yuvak Kendras throughout India? It's 15 to 25. 15 to 25. The scheme enacted to eradicate the illiteracy between the age group of 15 to 35 used a National Literacy Mission. How much million was the aim of functional literacy program up to the year 1995? 50 billion year. To develop teaching skill of a teacher, training is essential. Anxiety can be got rid of if an individual learns to elope with his own interval condition. 391. A child angry with his teacher may show his anger to his overprotective parents at home. This can be termed as displacement of anger. A child's ability to deal effectively with machines or other inanimate objective is distinguished as mechanical intelligence. Children whose behavior or personality is seriously abnormal are formed problem children. Objective of education is to create socio-economic. Objective of Arivoli Iyakam is to eradicate illiteracy. Main problem of school education is increasing dropout. Which one of the following do you consider as the first step of teaching? Motivation. What teacher-pupil ratio do you suggest in the school? It's 1:20. 1 teacher, 20 students. Mention your perception of teachers, one who motivates. An overprotected children is likely to be withdrawn. Education is a moral value. Special education is meant for all of the above. ID is animal instinct. Capacity to see oneself in others' situation is sympathy. Every class needs motivation. Teacher should be one of the following: democratic. Conditioning is a method of learning. Vehicle of communication is language. Curriculum is one of the following for a teacher: guide. Teacher, when he functions as a leader, performs of basic role. IGNOU was started in the year 1985. It's 1985. Number of institutes of advanced study in education in Tamil Nadu is 2. Objective of DPEP is universalization of primary education. What is the natural language of acquaintance in the teaching method? Is hearing, speaking, reading, writing. Teaching is an art. An objective describes one of the following: goal. Father of the intelligence is Alfred Binet. Tamil invocation song is taken from Manonmaniyam. J. Krishnamurthy is the author of Geetanjali. Which of the following methods are used to teach at a reflective level? All of the above. What is necessary to know for getting greatness in teaching? How the children learn. Second largest open university in the world is India. National Open School is situated at Delhi. One for the 4 regional colleges of education is at Ajmer. Which Indian president was a teacher beginning of his career? Radhakrishnan. Country which has a larger number of public library? Russia. Psychologist who developed an theory on dream analysis? Freud. National Talent Search examination is conducted by NCERT. Gandhiji's main aim of education is heuristic method. If the student could not answer the given question, then teacher should encourage the student to give answer. Tagore received a Nobel Prize for his work Gitanjali in the year 1913. The main principle of Indian education is equality. Innovation is a process of change. Floating university was introduced by USA. First society a child faces is home. To develop correct pronunciation in children, teacher should do correct pronunciation during teaching so that children can follow him. A few students of your class are exceptionally bright. You will teach them by using enriched curriculum. Entry age of children at primary level is 5 years. Which of the following are major dimensions related to ensuring quality in education system? All of the above. The stage of stress and strain in human life is adolescence, இளமை பருவம். Which one of the following is considered as an extracurricular activity? Games. Midday meal scheme was introduced by Kamarajar. Total quality education was the term coined by Deming. An acclamation is given to as father of psychology, Sigmund Freud. According to a primary school children's pair, Pestalozzi, teachers should know both strength and weakness. Creativity is inherent in all. Punishment is negative reinforcement. Reason for the natural question in the child is mind is curiosity. Evaluation should be done continuously. Author of the book The Origin of Equality Among Men is Rousseau. Socially useful productive work is the recommendation of Yeshwarbhai Patel Committee. During a classroom interaction, a student raises a question which you cannot answer there and then. How will you react? Admit your inability and promise to answer next day. School parliament is the part of Summerhill School. The purpose of introducing uniform for the children in school is for creating equality feeling. Mother tongue is the best medium of instruction for the school children studying in all classes. Which of the following aspect is emphasized most in all teaching theories? Classroom interaction. The location of the Women University in Tamil Nadu is Kodaikanal, that is Mother Teresa University. A teacher may become frustrated in his working area if she or he, A and B, both A and B, not understand the role of development in behavior of students, not able to find out the reason for the failure of his teaching approach in class. So correct answer is C. Author of the book, Emile Rousseau. Who hated competition in learning? J. Krishnamurti. According to Guilford, creative thinkers have divergent thinking. Interest attitude scale was introduced by Pressey, which helps to disseminate information to large number of people. Mass media. Which one of the following is very essential in counseling? Follow-up. Personality develops by both A and B, that is heredity and environment. The inventor of Gurukula system of education was Aryas. In order to make storytelling strategy success, what should a teacher do? All of this. Story should be made interesting by communication skill and gesture. Natural sequence in the story should be maintained. Characters of the story should be properly elaborated and compared to the present life situation. So all of the above is the correct answer. Oracle and Java are computer software. Total freedom in education is the philosophy of J. Krishnamurti. Learning driving is a skill learning. Varda education plan emphasized vocational education. Students on rest are because of unsolved problems. The founder of the school is J. Krishnamurti. Kothari Educational Commission was organized in the year 1964-1966. The organization that controls the Navodaya school in India is CBSE. Dash is called as Centers of Excellence. Navodaya school. Mobile school were founded by McDonald. Prospects is the journal published by UNESCO. The concept naturalism was advocated by both Rousseau and Tagore. Tamil Nadu Textbook Society is located at Chennai. Dedicative method of teaching is especially suitable for teaching all the above: numerical of physics and chemistry, theorem on geometry, how to test rules and formula. First school started under basic education of Gandhi Ji was functioning at Varda. School education in India gets much importance. Essential factor needed for getting desired response from student is stimulus. Butler Act was enacted in the year 1944. Continuing education consists of all the above. Central Institute of Educational Technology is located at New Delhi. Psychologist who belongs to Switzerland is Piaget. Child learns by sensory and physical movement at the age of 0 to 2 years. Who proved that genius family creates genius? Carlton. PECR is related to primary education. Who discovered the humanistic psychology? Carl Rogers. Which is related to the law of pregnancy? Gestalt theory. The line EF of learning curve of Thorndike represents fall. Psychology derived from the word psyche, which is a Greek word. Recommendation of Malcolm Adjie's commission was published in 1977. Which of the following is done at the exploration stage in secondary level of teaching? All of the above. Genesiology is the study of generation. The best environment of learning is free and liberal system. So we have completed 500 questions related to educational psychology. You prepare well and achieve well. All the best. Thank you.